Hello student, myself is R. Kuldeep, Assistant Professor Botany, Government Bhanu Pratap Dey, PG College Kanker, Chhattisgarh. Today I am going to discuss the ozone layer and ozone hole. So in this topic we are including some point introduction, what is ozone and ozone layer, the causes of ozone depleting chemicals, what is CFC, ultraviolet radiation, effect of ozone depletion, and why is the ozone layer important to life on earth, and international security program. So at first we see introduction. Planet earth has its own natural sunscreen that shield us from the sun damaging ultraviolet radiation. It is called the ozone layer. Ozone layer is a fragile band of gases beginning 15 km above our planet and reaching up to the 40 km level. Human activities have caused the substantially thinning of the protective covering, not only over the north and south poles, but right over our head. Stopping ozone layer depletion is the major challenge facing the world today. So at first here we know that what is ozone. Ozone is a molecule consisting of oxygen atom, or ozone is produced naturally stratosphere when highly energetic solar radiation strike molecules of oxygen O2 and cause the two oxygen atom to split apart in a process called photolysis. If a freed atom collide with another oxygen, it just up forming ozone O3, or ozone created in the atmosphere when the sun rays split oxygen molecules into single atom. This atom combine with the nearby oxygen to form a 3 oxygen molecules called ozone or O3. So ozone gas can be created or destroyed by the sun ultraviolet rays as shown in this picture to this right. Here this oxygen and O plus oxygen molecules just form O3. This is ozone creation. And then what is ozone layer? It is a natural sunscreen in the stratosphere. It filters out the harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sunlight and thereby protect various life forms on the earth. It is a form of oxygen. Ozone is continuously being created by the absorption of short wavelength ultraviolet radiation in the stratosphere. Ozone is a poisonous gas made of the molecules consisting of the 3 oxygen molecule atom. Oxygen atom. This ozone layer effectively blocks almost the solar radiation of the wavelength less than 290 nanometer from reaching Earth's surface, including certain type of ultraviolet rays and other form of the radiation that could injure or kill most living things. The amount of ozone in the stratosphere varies naturally throughout the year as a result of chemical process that create and destroy ozone molecule, and as a result of wind and other transport process that move ozone molecules around the planet. And ozone layer depletion. Ozone depletion is primarily caused by human activities. The main effect of ozone depletion in increase in ultraviolet B rays reaching the Earth's surface. The atmosphere to the altitude of about 1000 km from the Earth plane says the various gases, dust particle and water vapor are present. The atmosphere was divided into 5 major layers. The following are the main layer of the atmosphere. First, troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. And in this picture you can see the 5 layers of atmosphere. The first one is a troposphere and the stratosphere, and then between the tropo and troposphere this ozone layer present in 20 to 30 km, and after that stratosphere, mesosphere and this thermosphere 80 to 700 kilometer. Then exosphere. So at first we see the troposphere. This dense layer of atmosphere is the lowest. The average height is 10 km from the surface of the layer. The crust of thin ores pole to the equator. It is the most important layer of the atmosphere. Stratosphere, it height from a ground 40 km occur, and some scientists 50 to 55 at the height of the star. It's considered. This is because some scientists believe a part of stratosphere ozone system. Goods at different height in the lower portion of the stratosphere temperature is found. Because of the characteristic is called stratosphere. Mesosphere, it is a 50 km from ground level, is found in the middle atmosphere, which is the excess of zone. The main feature of this layer is that most of the ultraviolet rays coming from the sun is absorbed by it. So the temperature level is always high. Thermosphere, this level is above. Mesosphere, its height is 300 km. Exosphere, the upper layer of the atmosphere of this study was led by Lyman Spitzer. Its height is 400 km to 1000 km. The board is dominated by the hydrogen and helium gas. The causes of ozone depleting. The scientific evidence is indicate the ozone is being destroyed by a group of manufactured chemicals containing chloride or bromide. These chemicals are called ozone depleting substance. The ozone depleting substance are very stable, non-toxic and environmentally safe in the lower atmosphere. In the ozone become depleting, then more ultraviolet rays will reach the earth. Expose the higher amount of ultra radiation could have serious impact on human being, animals, plant. Ozone depleting chemicals. These are the some ozone depleting compound: chlorofluorocarbon, halon, methyl bromide, carbon tetrachloride, methyl chloride, etc. Then ozone hole and its causes. Ozone hole, an area in the ozone layer where the amount of ozone is reduced so that harmful radiation from the sun can pass through it. Recently, the chlorofluorocarbon were used a lot industries and elsewhere to keep things cold and to make foam and soap. Strong wind carries CFCs up in to stratosphere, where ultraviolet radiation break them apart, releasing chlorine atom. Each chlorine atom can attack and big parts destroy as many as 10 lakh ozone molecules during the time it is in the stratosphere. And this ozone hole, this is different to chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorine become dangerous for the ozone layer. An atom of chlorine gas react with the ozone molecules, change in the oxygen ultraviolet rays, thus it does not stop. Due to these deadly chemicals have hole in the ozone layer called the ozone hole. Then we see what is CFC. CFC is a contain chlorine, fluorine and carbon atoms. The former uses of the CFC is air conditioner, refrigerator, fire extinguisher, spray cans, pesticide, industries material, cleaner for electronic parts, etc. And next, ultraviolet radiation. Ultraviolet rays penetrate the earth atmosphere at 3 slight different wavelengths is called ultraviolet A, ultraviolet B and ultraviolet C. And effect in human health. If the ozone become depleted, then more ultraviolet rays will reach the earth exposed to higher amount of ultraviolet radiation could have serious impact of human health, human being, animal and plants, such as skin cancer, eye contact, immune deficiency disorder, premature aging of skin. So, skin cancer and skin disease, this eye contact, the more contact blindness and other eye disease. Ultraviolet radiation can damage the several eye parts including the retina, lens. Weakening of the immunity system. Early findings suggest that the too much ultraviolet radiation can suppress the human immunity system. And then effect on the environment. Ultraviolet radiation not only affect human but wildlife as well as. Excessive ultraviolet B inhibit the growth process of almost green plant. There is a concern that the ozone depletion may be lead to the loss of plant species and reduce global food supply and shows adverse impact on agriculture, forestry and ecosystem. The several of the world major crop species are particularly valuable to increased ultraviolet radiation, resulting in reduced growth, photosynthesis and flowering. The species include wheat, rice, barley, oats, soybean, pea, tomato, cauliflower, carrot, etc. Effect on marine ecosystem. Ultraviolet B can penetrate clear water to a depth of 20 meters. There is a recent evidence that exposed to enhanced ultraviolet B is harmful to the phytoplankton, plankton and the larvae of the fish and shrimp. In particular, plankton are threatened by ultraviolet radiation. Plankton are the first vital step in aquatic food chain, and as well as animal. In domestic animal, ultraviolet rays overexpose many disease causes like eye disease and skin cancer. Effect on plant. UV radiation and radiation effect, radiation and addition action affect the physiology of plant. Photosynthesis is especially affected. And material, wood, plastic, rubber and fabric construction material are degraded by ultraviolet radiation. So, why the ozone layer important to life on earth? The stratospheric zone layer completely stop the penetration of ultraviolet C rays and eliminate most of the ultraviolet B rays. Therefore, the ozone layer protect life on the earth from the harmful effect of the solar radiation on a daily basis. Then finally, we see the International Security Program. The Vienna Conference, the first world conference on the ozone layer depletion, Vienna in 1985, was held in Australia. Montreal Protocol to solve the problem of ozone layer depletion, 1987. 47 nation meeting in the Canadian city of the Montreal was held in which it was decided to shut the ozone structure and their option using chemicals should be used. They decided to ban to export rectangle. Ozone layer protection. The British government and the United Nations Environmental Programme in 1999, an international conference was held in London with CFC and other chemical depleting the ozone layer, which is the responsible for their use, has been banned. So, dear student, I hope you understand. Thank you.